me, Marty. Welcome back to Glam with Marty, where we are making glam great again. Today, I am using Ipsy to help me achieve that goal. So I got this is the August Ipsy Glam box. I forgot to tell y'all. I actually had one product that was completely shattered. That's why I'm confused, because I'm waiting on a box to get here. But it's because one of the products in here was shattered, so they're sending a replacement product. I don't know if it's the same thing and they're just going to send a new one, or if it's something totally different and they won't tell me. It gets here on Tuesday, I think, so I can't wait to see what that is. Before we get to those, though, I do want to say I am about to leave and I am going away for the weekend. Well, not the weekend, just tonight. And I want to bring a perfume with me, so I'm going to bring this Dossier Amber Cherry. I know I talk about Dossier a lot, but y'all, that last video I posted, my last Dossier, oh my god, what is it? Amber Cherry. The last Dossier video I posted, would put a card for it up there. I've kind of re-fallen in love with my Dossier since. I have other perfumes. Y'all know I'm a big fan of the Ariana Grande perfumes. I'm a big fan of Bon Bon, Victoria's Secret, but I've kind of been circulating through my Dossiers lately, and this Amber Cherry, it smells so good. I just wanted to mention this because I didn't have Amber Cherry in my last one. I don't even remember when I got this. It was a while back, but for the fall and the winter, this is by far my favorite scent. But I was just feeling in a cherry mode today, so I want to get it. It smells so good. It's inspired by Tom Ford's Lost Cherry. And reminder, y'all can get these at Walmart now. They don't just have to be, you can get them at Walmart online, you can get them in the store, or you can of course go to the Dossier website and you can save some money by using code Marty10, not an affiliate code, just a coupon code. I am trying to get 500 subscribers. When I do hit 500 subscribers, I do have a fresh Dossier fragrance in the box for you. It is Floral Marshmallow. It's in there somewhere, but yeah, it's coming. So whenever y'all are ready, when we hit that 500, I'll do a little announcement saying where we hit 500 and what you need to do to get into the entire giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you want that. We have one thing I couldn't try today: 2 eye palettes, a lipstick, and a loose powder. So if y'all want to see what I think about those products, you can keep on watching. Thanks. Okay, y'all, so let's get to it. I'm giving, I want to say goth vibes. That's such a, I hate labels like that. I'm giving darker vibes today. It just so happened I wore my water park shirt today from the concert. It was amazing. Thank you, Adriana, for asking me to go with you to tag along. It was so good. I don't have a necklace. Hold on, let me get a necklace. I just couldn't. I hate when I have little earrings and no necklace. Like, it drives me crazy. Like, these earrings for me are really small. By the way, they came from Temu. I'm an affiliate with them now, so y'all can check in the description down below to see what the code is. I don't know. The Ipsy box. This month's theme was what? I don't think I ever knew what it was. This month's theme was Return to the Wild. I really don't like Boxycharm. I really don't like, I mean, Ipsy, Boxycharm by Ipsy, whoever you are. I don't like that y'all do this now. Like, I don't need this. I need the card with all of the prices and stuff on it. I never even look. I don't think I've ever looked at this, actually, to be honest with you. Whatever. So it was Return to the Wild, and like I said, they gave a bunch of nice products. This box I really like because you could almost make an entire look with it. The only thing you're missing is like foundation and concealer. Everything else is in the box. So yeah. So let's go ahead and get started. I do want to tell y'all, and this is my fault, I did go overboard with the eyeliner and the mascara. But I don't know, that mascara was like, it was so good today. I just like kept going, and then my eyeshadow, I tried to make a wing, and then one side was too big, so I had to get it to match. And this eyeliner, I think I brought it with me so I could show it to y'all because it's such a good eyeliner. Let me fix my necklace. So anyway, yeah, before we get started, I did have the eyeliner I'm using is I brought it with me so y'all can see because it is such a rich, deep black, pigmented black. It's the Marc Jacobs Squid Gel Liner, Blaquer. And it's spelled like lacquer, black whore, like that. And let's get into the product. Reminder of how Boxycharm works. Boxycharm by Ipsy. I'll excuse it every time I say it because I'm going to keep getting it wrong. I had Boxycharm for so long. Let me get y'all the tiers real quick. The smallest level is the Ipsy Glam Bag, which, oh, here it is. I can see how much it costs now. Less $13. So $13 for the Glam Bag. And that is, you get 5 like mini deluxe samples or travel sizes. That's the Glam Bag. That's the bottom box. The next one is the Boxycharm by Ipsy box. So that's this one. I have that one and I really love it. It is about $30 buy. And then last but not least, you have the Icon box. That's a quarterly box. It's the most expensive one. I can't remember how much it is, but I'll put it right here. That's the top of the top, so that's the highest one. It only comes out once every quarter, so like pretty much every season. So last time it was Anastasia Sori, this time it's Vanessa Hudgens. I have no idea why, but that's, I guess she's iconic to somebody, not me though. So also something else I wanted to tell y'all, now that Boxycharm is a part of Ipsy, you get access to the Ipsy app on your phone, which is really nice because you get to see your whole entire box before it even gets here. And on top of that, you get to pick on the Boxycharm tier. I'm not going to talk too much about the other tiers because I'm not familiar with them, but the Boxycharm tier, you get 2 power picks and then you get to choose the last 3 products. It's like some options though. You can't just be like, hey, I want a Fenty Ease Drop foundation. That's not how it works. They give you like 5 choices and you get to pick the one you want out of those 5 choices. So let's talk about my box. First thing I got, I guess I'll just reach in and pull stuff out because I don't really know what's the easiest way to do this. Okay, we'll start with this. This is the Ciate London Brazilian Glow Eye and Face Palette. Now, if y'all watched last month's video, I did get the Ciate London Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette. I really did not need both. Like, I didn't want this. When I saw that it was an option, I was like, God, please let it be a choice because I don't want it because it's so similar to the other one. Let me go get it. Hold on. So let me say first, there are some good things about this palette. I just have so much other makeup. I know I'm not going to reach for this. So I'm probably going to pass this along to my mom, but this is what's on my eyes and my face today. The eyeshadows, like, it's a good palette. It really is, especially for my skin tone. The eyeshadow's beautiful. I really like the blush. The blush was probably my favorite thing in here. But I want to show y'all both palettes. Definitely same collection, obviously. This is the Brazilian Face and Eye palette. It says Glow Face palette, but they have 3 eyeshadows in the center. And then this is the, whoop, I always forget how pretty this damn thing is. So this is the eyeshadow palette from last time. This is the face and eye palette from this time. So just to show y'all. So that's why when I got this one and I saw that one was an option, I was like, I don't want that too. I don't need the whole collection because there's 3 eyeshadows in there. That's probably what I'm going to use the most. And I already have this. So why would I do that? So this highlighter came from there. The blush, the bronzer. Oh, my mom, she can have it if she wants it. I don't think she's going to take it because there's a lot of highlighter in it. But I really do like this palette. Thereafter I did everything else, but the blush really showed up and I like that. So this is a little palette itself. This is the packaging. Super similar to the eyeshadow palette, except it's plastic instead of like that cardboard that the palette is made out of. Full-size mirror. You have a bronzer, a highlighter. This says it's a shimmering face perfector. I don't know what that means, but I used it for my eyebrow touch-up. I used it to highlight my brows and to highlight my nose and my forehead. And then the blush, 3 eyeshadows. So I definitely, again, I really did like this. I'm gonna throw y'all to me trying it on. I really did like using it. It did blend, the shades blended well. Just, it's Ciate. So this is the Ciate London Brazilian Glow Eye and Face Palette in the shade medium dark. But what I do notice is on the front it says face palette, on the back it says face and eye palette. So I don't know what that means, but they do have the shades on the back again, and it retails for $29. That's not bad for this, I don't think. I guess 4 out of 5 diamonds, only because I don't like the second highlighter. To me didn't do much. The one that's the face whatever, the Palm Beach Sheer Glow Face Perfector, I didn't get that it did that much, but yeah. So oh, I forgot to show you what I'm not going to be reviewing today. Let me show y'all that. Is the one product I'm not going to be reviewing today. This is from Dallas & James Skincare Company. It is the Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream with elderberry. So this is what I'm not using today because it is a moisturizer and I have so many open right now, but at the same time I am really curious to try this out. So as soon as I run out of a moisturizer, I'm going to replace it with this one because I'm just dying to know what that means. What is a cloud cream dream? Like, what does that even mean? I don't know, but I'm excited about it. The next thing I have is this little baby palette from Ciate London. This is the Olive Trend palette. It's a 9-piece eyeshadow palette, and this is what came all broken. Let me show y'all the factory picture. This is what it's supposed to look like, right? Okay. As soon as we opened the box, there was glitter all over the inside of it. I was like, oh no, 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 no. I knew what happened, and it broke my little heart. I took pictures of it. I'm gonna insert some pictures here of what it looked like when I opened it. I was so distraught. But what I did notice, I did email Boxycharm. They are sending something out to replace it. I don't know if I'm just getting another palette like this or if they're sending me something different. They said they're gonna send me something good, even if they may not have the original thing in stock, which is this. And what's crazy, I looked at the reviews on this product. Everybody, it shattered. I don't know if the pans weren't pressed in well enough. I love the packaging though. But it was, look, I still have some of the eyeshadow on the back. It gets all over everything. So this is the Ciate London Trend, what did I say? Olive palette. They kind of remind me of the Huda Beauty 9 pans, like the little ones that they each have a theme. Like there's like neon, pink, yellow, whatever. So this is, this is what it's supposed to look like. This is what it does look like. I went ahead and I just flipped it upside down and let all the glitters come out because I didn't want to get all over clothes and stuff. That's happened to me one too many times. So this is the olive palette. This is the look I created with it. I did try it last week. Not last week. I tried it like a day after I got here. I tried it yesterday. Yeah, I tried it out yesterday. I just have to use it almost like an all matte palette. And since I love Ciate London, I know they're matte, so I'm gonna blend really well. So I'm keeping it for that. I'm not mad at it. I would like to have the shimmer shades, but sometimes that's just not what happens. And I'm not like super disappointed by it because I have so much other Ciate products and they're sending me something else. So maybe it's something I'll fall in love with. We'll see. I'll update y'all when it gets here. So that's the 9 pan. Again, oh, I didn't get y'all a price point on it. I'll throw y'all to me trying it out. So the Ciate London Trend palette in the shade Olive. It retails for $24. That's a good price for 9 shades. That's a very good price actually for 9 shades. I love Ciate London. They just can't miss with me. Even when it comes shattered, they can't miss with me. But yeah, so this one, I'm gonna have to go with the 3 out of 5 diamonds because the pans that are still in there are beautiful. They're the pans that are still in there because most of them fell out. So yeah, but I do like this palette. I'm gonna be using it a lot. I'll just have to use it as an all matte palette, which is Ciate London. I don't have that much of a problem with that. All right, next. Okay, let's do the one. Hold on. I feel like y'all are too high up there. I'm gonna put y'all a little lower. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to y'all about is the Ace Beautè Effortless Radiance Loose Setting Powder. I love Ace Beautè's products. I have a couple of palettes from them. I think I have a highlighter. I have a few things from them. This little powder, y'all, it's so cute. First of all, I love the packaging. This rich like bronze color, gorgeous. I got the shade medium. This is what it looks like. I did use mine not only to set, but I used it to bake as well, and I like how it made my skin look. Today's a good skin day. I did use my Born This Way foundation, which is really good, but I really like this Ace Beautè powder. The only thing about it, y'all, that I can tell y'all, it is finely milled. It is finely milled, and it is not at all translucent. Like, it's really got a pigment to it. So for this one, you would want to get your skin tone in it. Oh yeah, my makeup still looks good. Okay. So yeah, I like it. They did pick a good shade for me, but it's milled really fine. So just be careful, because like I dumped mine out and put my sponge in it. When I would put the sponge in it would go like poof. Now I know, so I'll be better with it, but I didn't know that at the time, but it's really good. It's a good powder. Loose setting powder in shade medium. Oh, $26. That's not that bad. I thought it was gonna be more than that. It does give you like a lit from within kind of glow, but it's not shiny. Like the Jaclyn Hill Luminous setting powder, I think that's what it's called. The Luminous Light. It's like a powder, but it's got like glitter in it. That thing, it's pretty if you want a super glowy, super dewy look, but it's really shiny. It's almost like if you use it on a concentrated brush, you can use it as a highlighter. That's how bright it is. All over, like I can't bake with it. This I could bake with, and it was fine. I really actually love the way my under eyes came out today. I don't know if it's something different I did with my concealer. I don't know what happened, but it looks way better. Oh, I have a little crease now. My eyeliner's starting to transfer, but that's this is a good one. I'm gonna give this 5 out of 5 diamonds actually. I think the price is really good. I like that it gives a hint of color but without being shiny. But yeah, so I'll give this one 5 out of 5. It was good. All right, y'all. The thing I was looking forward the most to trying, and y'all will see why in a second. I had to see if it's worth the hype. I got a Pat McGrath liquid lipstick. Now, if you don't know about Pat McGrath, she's very popular. Very popular, especially amongst the influencers. They love some freaking Pat McGrath. So I've never tried anything from the brand. Everybody's always surprised when I say it, when I'm like, I don't know nothing about no Pat McGrath. You say that about Natasha Denona too, but now I rock with some Natasha Denona. I never tried Pat McGrath, so when I saw it as a choice, I was like, cool. Let's talk about the packaging first. Very cute. It's just like a leg with a high heel boot on it. It almost looks like a cowboy. And it says Pat McGrath Labs Liquilus Legendary Wear Matte Lipstick. I want to show y'all the detail on the packaging. You can't read it unless you tilt it, because the way the words are foiled, it's kind of hard to see. The package has this little thing that covers it. Look on the back. The PML, Pat McGrath Labs, with a crown in the lips. I mean, the packaging right off the bat is making it feel really regal. Let me show you the lipstick though, because the lipstick, gorgeous. This is the lipstick here. Can we just for a second? This is where you see the color. It says Pat McGrath Labs, and it is this beautiful deep red color that's on my lips right now. Reminds me, y'all know what it reminds me of? The shade, oh, what was it? Copenhagen in the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. That's what it smells like too. It smells just like the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Let's see if we have some transfer. Kiss test. Nothing at all. That's crazy. It's like a tattoo and I can't feel it at all. Like it feels like I have nothing on my lips but lip balm. Yeah, I really like this one. I like the color. Again, I wouldn't have worn it today with a black shirt if I remembered that I was wearing a black shirt today, but I really like this. And the shade I have is called Nocturnal Amour. So yeah, I like this one though. Let me swatch it for y'all actually while I have it in my hand, just so y'all can see it somewhere other than my lips. Even though I don't tan, so my skin, my hand is the same, should be the same color as my face. Yeah, so this is the shade. This is what it looks like. It's a super thin formula. It sits really good on the lips. Also, something else I noticed, which is different for me, I didn't need a lip liner. The way the applicator is, it's got this point at the end. I'm gonna take it out again to show y'all. It's got this pointed, slanted tip in the end, so you can get right into your lip and you can line really well with the point that's on the top. So I'll give that one 5 out of 5 too. This is gonna be a color I can guarantee y'all I'm gonna be wearing this out for fall. It's perfect for fall. I think that's the last thing I have in here. All right, y'all, so thank y'all so much for joining me. Overall, the box, I would say the box overall, I would give it 4 out of 5 diamonds, only because I really was upset with the Ciate London palette breaking, because y'all know if there's one thing I love about Ciate, it's their shimmers and the glitters. So the fact that that wasn't there brought the whole box down for me. I'm excited to try the watermelon cloud. The stuff I did try today, I really did like, especially this lipstick. I wanted it. People don't understand when I say that, but like I wanted it to be bad because I didn't want it to be worth the hype. I did the same thing with Fenty. I was like, people are just gushing over. There's no way you could hit every product out the park. And Fenty, so far, everything I've tried, I absolutely love. And same thing with this. This lipstick, the next time there's a Pat McGrath option, guess what? I'm taking it. I really like it. So I thought it looked really good. My makeup came out super good today. And it's all because of Boxycharm by ipsy. So if you guys have any questions, you could hit it down in the, what is it called? In the comment box down below. I'm also going to have a list of everything I'm wearing on my face today, including the mascara and the eyeliner I showed you guys earlier, as well as each one of these things with a link where you could go check it out if you want to buy it. Also going to have my Boxycharm link, Truly Beauty, dossier, all those things all going to be linked down below in my description. I really appreciate y'all hanging out with me and getting into this August box. All right, y'all know it's time for my shout out. Hey, Rowan, thank you so much for watching Nini's video, my love. I cannot wait to see you. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I'm glad you love to see Nini on YouTube, and I'll see you later. I love you. And the rest of y'all, I will be here next time you get glam. If you want to come on over and get glam with Marty, please like and subscribe. See y'all next time. Bye.